Welcome back to the channel, and here we are once again with the OnePlus 13. This is a very exciting device, and we're here to talk more about customization, which is a highlight of this brand. And that brings us to edge lighting. So we're going to unlock the OnePlus 13, which, by the way, this fingerprint sensor is built into the display and it works very fast, as you've seen there. So let's talk more about edge lighting. Edge lighting is going to give you this lighting on the sides of the device here, and it just adds a bit of customization to your device. It makes it a bit more unique, and it gives it more of, I would say, maybe a living-like experience. Like, it feels like your device has some kind of emotion to it, I would say. Now, for this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to access this feature the most efficient way possible. But if you are a bit more technical, say you like diving through menus, I'm going to include the string in this video here towards the top. So we're going to start by swiping down from the top of the display, and we're going to look for our gear icon right at the top there and tap on it. Now, again, you can go through all the options here, but to make things quick and easy, we're just going to start typing in edge. And you'll eventually see an option here that shows edge lighting. We're going to tap on that. And this is going to bring us to the edge lighting window. And you can see that we have a demo or a video or just some kind of illustration of what the feature does. So we'll cycle through the colors here. We were showing blue originally. I'll just highlight that once again. You'll see that the sides of the phone light up blue. And then we'll have a red option. And then we'll have a yellow option. And if you don't want this feature on at all, there is the option to turn off right there. But I think I'm going to go with the red. It's a hard choice. I like the blue and the red, but I like the red basically because that's OnePlus's colorway. You'll see their famous red packaging, and I like to carry that onto the device. And the way I have my device set up, I have lots of red accents for the wallpaper and for the icons and that kind of thing. So this makes your device feel a bit more lively. Now, I would like to see a few more color options. As you can see, we only have the 3 here, the blue, the red, and the yellow. I would like to see at least 7. That way you'll have a bit more customization. Also, what I would like to see is a brief explanation of what this feature actually does for those that don't know. I haven't played with this device too much, but I believe it works with notifications. I'll have to do some testing to verify that. But if you know for certain, let us know in the comments down below. But overall, I really like features like this. This is what OnePlus is really good at. They're great at including these small but nice customization options that really personalize your device. So let us know in the comments below what you think of this feature and if you'll be using it. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
Yeah.